Hello students, let's solve 5 more problems of ratio today, and if time permits we might solve few problems of proportion as well. Let's see the first problem for today. Find the number which when subtracted from each of the terms of the ratio 19:25 makes it 2:3. Okay. So let the number to be subtracted be x. Let the number to be subtracted be x. So the ratio is 19:25, right? And x is subtracted from both the terms and it becomes 2:3. That means 19/25 and it's subtracted by one term and it makes it 2:3. Right? So let's cross multiply. So 3 into 19 minus x is equal to 2 into 25 minus x. So 3 into 19 3 into 19 is 57. 57 minus 3x is equal to 2 into 25 is 50 minus 2x. Put number terms on one side and x terms on other side. So 57 minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 2x. So 7 is equal to x. X is equal to 7. Okay. So find the number when subtracted from, So x is equal to 7. So x is the number. If it is subtracted from 19 and 25, the ratio becomes 2:3. We can check also. Let's do the verification. Verify it. Okay. So 19 minus 7 and 25 minus 7. 19 minus 7 is 12 and 25 minus 7 is 18. Correct? So 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So when you simplify, it becomes 2/3. Right? Let's see the next problem. The ages of Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams are in the ratio of 9:7. If Kalpana Chawla is 34 years 6 months old, okay, find the age of Sunita Williams. Fine. So let the age of Sunita Williams be x. Because you are asked to find the age of Sunita Williams, so let the age of Sunita Williams be x. Okay. So because 34 years and 6 months old, what we can do is we can convert 34 in months only. Okay. Yeah. So okay, I'll write this way. Let the age of Sunita Williams be x and the age of Kalpana Chawla is 34 years and 6 months, right? So let us convert it in months. So age should be converted in months. Okay, and 34 years plus 6 months is equal to 34 into 12 plus 6. 34 into 12. It is 408. 408 plus 6. So this becomes 414. 414 months. So age of Sunita Williams is 414 months. Okay. So the ages of Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams are in the ratio of 9:7. If Kalpana Chawla's age is 34 years 6 months, find the age of Sunita Williams. Okay. So Kalpana Chawla's age is 144 months and Sunita Williams' age is X, and they are in the ratio of 9/7. Okay. So we can just cross multiply and find the value of X. So 414 into 7 is equal to 9x. So x is equal to 414 into 7 divided by 9. Divided by 414 into 7 divided by 9. Which is 332 months. Okay, now let us convert 332 months in year. Okay, so 332 divided by 12, just do 332 divided by 12, it is 26.8, right? So you know she is 26 years old and some months. Okay, so 26 months, no sorry 26 years and okay, so 26 years is how many months? Let's see that. Okay, so 26 into 12 is 312 months. Okay, so 26 you have already written, and how much is remaining? 332, and this is 312 minus 332. Sorry, I think I have mistaken. 332 you did. Okay, so 332 divided by 12, you get 20. Oh, you get 27 years 0.6. Okay, wait, it's 332 or 322? 414 into 7 divided by 9. Just a second. 414 into 7 divided by 9, it comes to 322. Sorry, not 332. Okay, so this is 322 months. Okay, now you have to convert it into years, right? So 322 divided by 12. When you do 322 divided by 12, you get 26.83. Okay, so 26 years and some months she is. So 26 years means 26 into 12, that is 312 months. Correct? Now she is 312 months, but her 26 years means 312 months. Okay, so 312 you subtract from 322. 322 minus 312, you get 10. So she is 26 years and 10 months. Okay. If I do 12 into 0.833, it will come 9.996. Okay, that is also 10 months. Okay, now when you do, see, 322 divided by 12, you get 26.833. 26 is 26 years. 0.833 is how many months, right? You have to find out that. So if 1 year is 12 months, okay, 0.833 is how many months? So what do? 12 into 833, 0.833. So when you do 12 into 0.833, you get 9.996, that is 10. Okay, so 10 months. That is one way to do it. Okay, so therefore Sunita Williams' age is 26 years and 10 months. Okay, let's see the next problem. A milkman sells 35 liters of water mixed milk. Okay, the ratio of milk to water is 4:1. He adds 5 more liter of water to it. What is the new ratio of milk to water? Okay, it's very easy. Now there is 35 liters of milk plus water. Okay, there is 35 liters of milk plus water, and it is in the ratio of 4:1. 4 is the milk and 1 is the water. Okay, so 35, when you divide in the ratio 4:1, it becomes 35 divided by 5 multiplied by 4, 28 liters of milk. So that becomes 28 liters of milk and 7 liters of water. Correct. So now it is in the ratio of 4:1. So 28 liters of milk is there and 7 liters of water is there. So he adds 5 more liter of water to it. So he adds plus 5 water. So now 7 plus 5 has become 12, and this is 28 only. So now the ratio of milk and water has become 28:12, right? You can simplify it. 3 sevens are 28, and 4 sevens are 28. Yeah, 4 sevens are 28, right? And 4 threes are 12. So now this is in the ratio of 7:3. So the new ratio is 7:3. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, so total liter of water total liter of milk plus water. So total liters is 35. Present ratio of milk and water is is 4:1. Therefore, portion of milk is equal to 35 into 4 by 5, which comes to 28 liters. And then portion of water, 35 into 1 by 5, which is 7 liters, which makes the total 35 liters. Okay, so he adds 5 more liters of water. Five more liters of water is added, which makes portion of water 7 plus 5, which is 12 liters. Therefore, milk is to water is equal to 28:12. Which is equal to 7:3. Okay, so whatever is in the green you don't need to write. Okay, I just wrote it so that you can understand. Got it? So this is the way you solve it. Let's see the next problem. At present, a person is 4 times older than his son and is 5 years older than his wife. After 3 years, the age of the son will be 12 years. What will be the age of person's wife after 3 years? Okay, let's solve this. Now, let the age of the son be x. Okay, if son's age is x, if age of the son is x, okay, then the father's age will be, at present the person is 4 times older than his son. So father's age will be 4x and 5 years older than his wife. So that means wife is 5 years younger than husband, right? So that means wife's age will be 4x minus 5, right? After 3 years, the age of son will be 12. That means now son's age is x. After 3 years, his age will become x plus 3, right? And then the age of his son will be 12. So x plus 3 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 minus 3, which is 9. So son's age now is 9 years, right? So present age of son is 9. So that means present age of father will be 4x. That means 4 into 9. 4 into 9 is 36. Correct? And wife's age will be 4x minus 5. So 36 minus 5, which is 31. So wife's age is 31 currently, right? Now let's see what they have asked. What will be the age of the person's wife after 3 years? Okay, now person's wife's age is 31. After 3 years, it will become 31 plus 3, which is 34. Right? So let's solve. Okay, let the sun's age be x. Father's age is 4 times of x, which is equal to 4x. Wife's age is equal to husband's age minus, instead of writing father's age, I'll write man's age. Okay, man's age is 4 times of x. Wife's age is equal to man's age minus 5, which is 4x minus 5. Okay, the age of the sun after 3 years will be 12 years. That is x plus 3 is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 12 minus 3, which is equal to 9. So therefore present age of sun is equal to 9 years. Man's present age is equal to 4x is equal to 4 into 9 is equal to 36 years. Wife's present age is equal to 4x minus 5, which is 36 minus 5, which is equal to 31 years. Therefore wife's age after 3 years will be equal to 31 plus 3, which is equal to 34 years. Okay, and that is what is asked. Fine. Let's see the next question. The ratio of two numbers is in 4:5 when the first number is increased by 20% and the second number is decreased by 20%. What will be the ratio of the resulting numbers? Okay. So the present ratio is 4:5, right? Okay. So present ratio is 4/5. If first number is increased by 20%, so if 4 plus 20% of 4 upon 5 minus 20% of 5, right, what is the ratio resulting, what will be the ratio of the resulting number? Okay, so I'll put an arrow because it is not equal to. Okay, so 4 plus 20% of 4, what is 20% of 4? 20% of 4 is 0.8, right? So 4 plus 0.8 minus 5 minus 20% of 5. What is 20% of 5? 20% of 5 is 1 minus 1, right, which will make this 4.8 divided by 4. So the ratio will be 4.8 upon 4. Okay, so let's multiply by 10 because I don't want that decimal point. Let's multiply numerator and denominator by term 10. I am just multiplying 10 so that I can eliminate the decimal. So when I multiply by 10, it becomes 48 upon 40. Right. So 4.8 into 10 is 48 and 4 into 10 is 40, which makes it 48 by 40. So 48 by 40, how I can simplify? 8 za. 8 6 are 48, right? 8 6 are 48 and 8 5 are 40. So 8 6 are 48, if 8 5 are 40. So now when you simplify it, it comes to 6 by 5. So the ratio becomes, so the ratio is 6:5. So 6:5 is the answer. So the ratio of two numbers is 4:5. When first number is increased by 20% and second number is decreased by 21%, what is the resulting numbers? Okay, or resulting ratio. Okay, so 4 by 5, you add 20% of 4 and subtract 5%, no, 20% of 5. It comes to 4.8 and 4. I want to eliminate the decimal point, so I multiply both the terms by 10. So it becomes 48 by 40. You simplify it, it becomes 6 by 5. So the ratio is 6:5. So what will be the ratio of resulting numbers? The ratio is 6:5. Okay. Now let's solve few problems of proportion. Okay. Right. So find the middle term of middle term to 5 and 125. We have already solved this kind of problem, right? It is a continued proportion. Okay. So let the middle term be x. So then 5:x is to 125 will be in continued proportion. So because it is a continued proportion, therefore b square is equal to ac, right? Now if a is to b is to c are in continued proportion, that means a by b is equal to b by c, right? And you cross multiply, it becomes b square is equal to ac, right? So now in this case 5:x is to 125 are in continued proportion. That means x square is equal to 5 into 125, right? How I got this? Because b square is equal to ac, right? So x square is equal to b into 1 x square is equal to 5 into 125. Correct? So 5 into 125. What is 5 into 125? Is it 625? Yes. So x square is equal to 625. So x is equal to square, take it to the other side, it becomes square root. So x is equal to 25. Square root of 625 is 25. Right? Therefore, the middle term, which is also called as mean proportion, is 25. Therefore, mean proportion got it? Let's see the next problem. Similar problem. Find the third term. 2, 4 is to 16. Okay. Third term, let the third term be x. If the third term is x, that means 4 is to 16 is to x are in continued proportion. So that means 16 square is equal to 4x, because b square is equal to ac. Oops, my apologies. Okay, so 16 square is equal to 4x, right? So 16 into 16, I think it is 256. Let's check. 16 into 16 is 256. Yeah. So 256 divided by 4 is equal to x. Okay. So x is equal to 6 are 24, 1 carry, 4s are 16. So x is equal to 64. So that means the third term is 64. Therefore, the third term to 4 is to 6, 16 is 64. Therefore, the third term to 4 is to 16 is 64. Okay, let's see the next problem. Find the fourth term. To 4 is to 7 is equal to 28 is to x. Okay, you just have to find x. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. Correct? So 4 is to 7 is equal to 28 is to x. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. Correct? So 4x is equal to 7 into 28. So x is equal to 7 into 28 divided by 4. Right? 4 ones are 4 sevens are 28, 7 sevens are 49. So x is equal to 49. Okay, so x is equal to 49. So fourth term, so x value you have found out, it is 49. Let's solve the next problem. Cost of 5 television set is 90,000. What is the cost of 32 TV sets? Oh, let cost be x of 32 TV set. Okay, so let the cost of 32 TV sets BX. So number of TV, ratio of number of TV is 5:32. It's number of TV only. So number of TVs is 5:32. Ratio of cost is equal to 90,000 is to X. Okay, so this is a direct proportion. When number of television sets increases, the cost will also increase, right? So I'll just write the given terms are in direct proportion. Now this is in direct proportion, so 5:32 is equal to 90,000 is to X, because in direct proportion A is to B is equal to B is to C, right? So product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 5x is equal to 90,000 into 32. Okay, so 90,000 x is equal to 90,000 into 32 divided by 5. 90,000 into 32 divided by 5, which is 5,76,000. 90,000 into 32 divided by 5, which is 5,76,000. So X is equal to 5,76,000. Okay, let's solve one more problem. 8 laborers can manufacture 296 toys in one day. Find the number of toys that can be manufactured by 20 laborers in one day. Okay, this is also a direct proportion problem, correct? So let the number of toys which can be manufactured by 20 laborers be X. Okay, so let's write down. Let the number of toys manufactured by 20 laborers be X. So labor ratio is 8:20 and toys ratio is 296:X, and this is a direct proportion problem. So given terms are in direct proportion. So therefore 8:20 is equal to 296:X. Product of extremes is equal to product of means, right? So 8x is equal to 296 into 20. So x is equal to 296 into 20 upon 8. (296 into 20 divided by 8). it comes to 740. So 740 toys. So therefore 20 laborers can manufacture 740 toys in a day. Okay. So this kind of problem we have already solved previously in the previous lectures, right? Let's solve one more problem and we'll wind up. Okay. The price of 9 cars is rupees 1,12,50,000. How many cars can be brought for 50 lakhs? Okay. So again, this is a direct question, proportion problem, because the cost goes down, the number of cars also will go down, right? So let the number of car be X. Car ratio is 9:X and cost ratio for 9 cars it is 1,12,50,000 is to 50 lakhs. Okay, so because it is a direct proportion, so 9:X is equal to 1,12,50,000 is to 50 lakhs. So 9 into 50 lakh is equal to 1,12,50,000 into X. X is equal to 9 into 50 lakh divide by 1,12,00,000. 50,000. Okay. So let's calculate this. 9 into 50 lakh divide by 1 crore 12,50,000, which comes to 4. So that means you can buy 4 cars from 50 lakhs. Therefore, 4 cars can be bought for rupees 50 lakhs. Very expensive car though. Okay, that's it for the day, students. Have a great day. Thank you very much.